I am the pilot of that inverted hovering helicopter, and my radio is right there. FW450 GPS helicopter, baby. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Alishanmao here. I'm still enjoying my lonely RC fly day all by myself, flying my helicopters, my RC airplanes and stuff. So a lot of videos coming your way. Now I'm going to test my FW450 V2. After a long time, I'm going to give it a flight and see how it goes as a GPS helicopter. Now, once you add the battery, you need to do one thing before you fly. Take it as a good tip from me that I learned from my experience, is that hold the helicopter from here, from the shaft, and tilt it just like this. If the tail is falling or nose is falling downward, this means your battery has to be moved forward and backward, and you have to balance your CG properly. Once the CG is balanced, your helicopter will not give you any unwanted behavior in the forward flight. All right, so let's put it down here and give it a flight and see how it goes. Again, a number of people were unable to arm. You have to set a motor arm switch, and before that you have to hold the rudder and throttle down and left for 3 seconds. Once the green LED starts blinking there, arm the motor and step away. Nice and solid hold, mashallah. Look at that, beautiful hold. I just need to get a picture, hold on. Maybe not, later. Let's fly it around and see how things go. Nice and quiet actually. Forward flight is good, no bobby and bubbly kind of movement. No like dolphin kind of oscillations. So far so good. I'm going up, holding it there, and hey, watch this. Wind coming from left. And let it hover. That's very low. Let it be a little farther from me. That's high enough. All right, you got it. Come down, helicopter. Let's test the circle mode. Keep it here. Circle mode. I should actually install a camera on it and see how good is this circle mode. Ooh, nice and bright sun in my eyes. I love it. That warmth of the sun is charging my batteries. Really nice. Circle mode is good. Figure 8 mode. Nice. So far everything is good. I haven't calibrated the helicopter in a long time, and calibration seems to be fine. Everything is working, alhamdulillah, perfect. Lots of wind. Normal mode. Let's bring it back. Whew, it's hot, man. I need water. I'm gonna switch to 3D mode, I think. So put it down.
6 minutes.
3D mode. Now this is manual inverted. Kind of sluggish. I feel it's sluggish, man. I'm getting used to a lot of response from my M1 helicopter, which is really small and very agile. Alright, let's bring it back and land it, because I don't want to give it too much trouble. I want to, you know, drain the batteries too much. So that's enough flying FW450, and return to home, please, for me, and land, please. 8 minutes of flight. So I'm just gonna put the radio here. Helicopter comes back, and it should turn and land the same way it took off. Awesome, alhamdulillah. MashaAllah, it's flying really nice, man. How good it is. You are the pilot, your helicopter is landing all by itself, and you are drinking water, enjoying your time. It's coming down the step by step. Doing, 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 and landed. Disarm. Awesome. And I'm going to disarm the motor. Right. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give this helicopter a big thumb up, okay? And subscribe to my channel. Stay updated for all the upcoming new uploads. Let's fly M1 mini 3D helicopter, shall we? Alright, stay here. And now, come on, you little baby, don't be shy. Come on out, you little baby. My little M1 helicopter. Let's get this baby ready and fly. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?